So we're preparing for your deposition testimony in just a little bit, in about half an hour here in my office. And you're familiar with the process because I sent you a little information about that, and you've reviewed it, confirmed that for me. But you know, too, that your case should be a sort of slam dunk, that, you know, you were driving your vehicle through an intersection with a green light when, you know, the other driver, the defendant driver, just ran the red light and T-boned your vehicle, right? So it sounds like an easy case, of course. And you should have a lot of questions about damages. That should be the main focus of it. But here's what I want you to be especially aware of. The defendant did plead comparative negligence as a defense. In other words, the defendant is trying to blame you that the accident was your fault, at least in part. And the law does permit a percentage of fault, you know, assigned to you, the plaintiff, and you won't get that percentage of your recovery. If the jury awarded $100,000 and you had 20% fault, you'd only get the $80,000, not the 20% of 100 or the 20,000 for your own fault. So just be aware of that law. Now, you've already told me here in the office that, you know, you were not at all at fault, and of course the police did not ticket you. They did ticket the other driver, so you really shouldn't have any concern. But I'm just being aware, letting you, be aware that you will get questions about, you know, what you were doing and why you weren't looking out, and why you weren't evading the driver who ran the red light, and all of these other things. So don't be put off by those questions. And you and I have already spoken about this at length, and I'm sure that you will be testifying consistent with everything that you've told me. You know that you need to tell the truth and nothing but the truth. Just don't be thrown off. Don't let the difficult or even challenging questions suggest to you that you did something wrong when you know that you didn't. That's all I'm saying. So just be prepared for that. But the main part of the deposition should be over damages. I'm looking forward to it. We'll talk more about it.